The minor pentatonic scale is used in countless licks, solos, riffs. It's a real basic thing that every guitarist should know. Now, penta just means 5, so there's 5 different notes. And when you play 2 notes per string, you end up with 5 different possible patterns or positions. We're going to concentrate today just on the first pattern, the first position, and in the E minor pentatonic scale. Now, it's called E minor pentatonic, but it works just as well over any major chord. That's the beauty of pentatonic scales. So let's get started with the open 6th string. That's an E, 3rd finger 3rd fret, then the open 5th string, the A, 2nd finger 2nd fret, the open D string, the 4th string, 2nd finger 2nd fret, the open G, the 3rd string, 2nd finger 2nd fret, open 2nd string, the B, 3rd finger 3rd fret, and the open 1st string is E again, and 3rd finger 3rd fret. I'll play all those together slowly. And now a little bit quicker, I'm going to play it in 4. And that's coming back as well. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This time I'm going to play it in 3, but starting at the top and working backwards. Now get the pattern in your head, and once you can play it, then you can start messing around and creating a few ideas of your own, such as this. There are thousands and thousands of possibilities, as always. That's it for this lesson. We'll do the second position in the next one. I'll see you then.